like, is this for real? Look, I'm so excited. Came in the mail. Look, it's a pink stocking with goodies in it. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, let me clear some space and we're gonna get unboxing it right now. Woohoo! And situated and hold the phone still. So this is what this is BallPit. It's very cute. It's pink. I'm keeping it. I keep all the stuff that I get that's like neat little things like this. Okay, but first of all, welcome back. Thank you for coming back. And hello if you're new, welcome. Love you either way. So I got this in the mail. It came pretty fast. It was very cute. I've been watching BallPit Nails for years and always wanted to try her stuff, and I'm going to get to. So I'm really excited. So I'm going to do an unboxing video, and then I'm going to kind of decide whether I'm going to just leave it in I might leave it as an unboxing video or get into doing designs. We'll see. I'm at a different angle today, but that's just how we're going to work it today here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reach and grab. Okay. So oh wow, look at this. 3 brushes? Okay, first we have tips. Ooh. BallPit Crystal Tips, Soft Gel Extensions, Long Coffin. Ooh, I have a client who would love this. Oh, look at, there's so many. Doesn't say how many. Definitely has the numbers in there. Do I move this maybe a little? Is it on the, do it turn up maybe? My lighting, you know. No, we're doing this one. All right. So there's the sizes, 0 to 10, which are definitely normal sizes. Ooh. Oh, they're nice. So these will probably be soapy because they're soft gel. Excellent. Very much cool. I will have links for the stuff below from her site and maybe like a, I don't know, price here. Or I just did that for no reason. We'll see. We got those. And we got these 3 brushes. This one comes with, okay, so this is cool. So this is the no stop. That's not what it is. No. This is the BallPit. It's red. It has, oh here, Little Miss 9mm. So it's got 9mm brush right there. Probably see it better like that. And then on this side, ooh, I consider this to be a petal brush, but that's just me. Or if we can just like, okay. And then they have lids. Ooh, they're tight. Very cool. I'm so excited. Brushes are fun. This is Easy Ombre. Ooh, I've heard of this brush before. Now I have one. Ha! And I get to try it. Probably see it better like that. I don't know. But there you go. Silver. Yep, right? I think. Yep, looked green for a second. That's awesome. And then this is Blend and Erase. A cleanup brush. Now I will be so for real. An acrylic brush like that. Oh, I need one that small. I might have to. I wonder. I'm going to find out if I could use this with acrylic. And if not, if she has one like this, and if not, find one, because that would be so good for small leaves and really small flowers. Oh, like a sunflower. That is so pretty. I'm excited to try it. It's the Blend and Erase, the cleanup brush. Oh, so far so good. Definitely think this is very cool. Now, I don't know if this is still available. I'm assuming the products would be. Okay, so we've got, I'm assuming the products would be, but I'm not exactly sure. We have some tubs, I call them, little baby pots. Purple, yay! It's called Berrylicious, and then green apple. Okay, so this is green apple. So paintballs. I'm assuming this is gel paint. Directions. Sculpt. Oh. Sculpt into desired shape. Okay. Fantasy clay and sunset orange. Ooh. Sculpt into the desired shape. Here's 60 seconds. Okay, we're gonna play with these. This is fantasy clay in lemon yellow. And this is cute. This is Chrysania and BallPit Rosy Cheeks. Okay, I'm just gonna see, can I peel? Oh, we're gonna try. Sometimes if I can't peel them, I have to get them. I don't want to though. Oh, that's not, okay. Okay, give me a minute. I'm gonna open these magically. I'll be right back. I was trying to, this whole thing filled. I was trying to peel it, and then I stabbed it, and it didn't really go anywhere. I'm like, oh, so then I peeled this part off. I'm gonna have to get the rest of that silver off. I'm not gonna, but it's very much like, very cool. I like it. Let's see if I can take a little out here. There we go. So it's pink. Ha, cool. It's a rosy color. That's cool. Okay. Yeah, I'm making a mess, but I'm okay with that. Okay. We are going to okay. I'm making a mess, but that's okay. This is the fantasy clay. The orange. Oh. That was stuck. That's okay. I'm assuming this is sort of the same thing. Oh, no. Oh, my. What is this? Can I use this for fruits? Nails? Oh. That's perfect. I am so making orange, a 3D orange with that. And if this lemon yellow is what I'm hoping it is, I'll be right back. So I said be right back and didn't start recording. So I'm pretty sure it's just these that we have to show real quick. Just orange, lemon yellow, and then green apple paint. It's pretty. Don't Bella. I hurt my finger. I like tried to twist and I pulled the finger from the nail from the bed underneath. Oh, purple. Is that hair already? Oh, damn. Okay. And then I said, this is still got 3 items in the tippy toe. We have tips, 3 brushes, one of which is double-ended, 2 paintballs, 2 fantasy clay, which I've never seen or felt, and those are cool. And then this, which I might put like what it is here, but it's not even solid gel, it's moldable. It's very, very cool. And then I said, oh, we have 3 boxes in the tip. This is what I filmed, and I thought I was filming, I'm not. And they're her colors, so I was right. So we have 2 out of the box so far. They're very, very tight. Oh, I got a glitter. Sweet treat. Is that a sweet treat? It looks like a sweet treat. You know that guy off of TikTok. I'm sure you've all heard of him. Okay, so the first one we have here is Too Cute Toffee. Let's just... Oh, it's beautiful. It's a skin color. Let's see. Oh, how about we put it in camera? There we go. She does... which I've been practicing, but it's just been for fun, really. But she does people and cartoons and characters, and she's very, very good. So she does have polishes for all skin tones. I'm pretty sure she has a wide range. And then this one is Cabin Fever. Oh, it's the perfect army green. I was saying that cabin fever is the perfect forest camo green, whichever you want to call it. Oh, please, come on. There we go. And the brushes are your standard brushes. Interesting, they don't smell. Interesting. I've never smelled a gel that smells like this before. Not a bad thing, just everybody has their own formula, right? Neat. Check that out. And then this is Sweet Root. Let me just give it a little shimmy. There's glitter. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, no, it's like, oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, look how it, is it hologram? It has to be. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. It's just the way it sparkles. Oh, it's like a diamond. Look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. Okay. I think it's a pinky. Yeah, it's a pinky. It's got, I'm speechless. It's beautiful. Okay. So what I am going to do is insert swatches of this or a video at the end maybe of this. So you can see what they look like as swatches. These, I don't know. We'll see. They're really neat. I'm so excited. Oh, what a wonderful gift to put all this through into like a little stocking. And then, let me check the price. It's $49. Yeah, $49.99. Beautiful stocking and some amazing goodies. All right. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. I will be doing a video of trying these out, just playing around. Who knows? Random design. This is all I have. So this is the start of my ball pit collection. Can't wait to use them on people's nails and have fun things with them. I'm so happy. Thank you very much. I hope you have a wonderful day. We'll see you in my next video. Bye.